In this mission, you'll explore two kinds of simple machines, gears and inclined planes. Both of these simple machines can be used to do basic tasks and change the forces on the objects that we want to manipulate. Gears are circular objects with teeth that can link together or mesh with one another. By turning one gear, the teeth can push on the teeth of another gear, causing it to move. We'll look at the ways that different sizes of gears and different shapes of gears can change their function. An inclined plane is basically just a ramp. It's a slope that something can roll down or be pushed up. But it can get a lot more complicated than that as well. By changing the shape or the direction of the inclined plane, we can do a surprising number of complicated tasks that you'll learn all about. Let's get started.